good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB. Today we are going through creating a blur effect. So today we are going to start off with our image. We're going to create a duplicate of it. So with that selected on the right hand side, we're going to press Ctrl J, or you can right hand click and do that. I'm going to go select and I'm going to go remove BG. I've already done this a couple times today, so it's going to take me a second. I have to watch it add, so I will see you all in a second. Excellent. So with my background removed, if I select this and shut it off, you'll be able to see that that is a little different. I'm going to right click on my layer 1 and I'm going to convert it to a smart object. From here, I'm going to select my magic wand tool. I'm going to select the background, which you'll see just kind of created a whole bunch of space. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select inverse. With that, I am now going to select my background layer. So that is just the one that we have with the background and everything. I'm going to press delete and it should create a transparent section where your object is. From here, with that same bit selected, you shouldn't have clicked anything else. You are going to go to edit, you're going to go to fill, and you are going to drop down this menu and select content aware. You're just going to leave blend mode on normal and then you're going to click OK, and it's going to take a second and then it will fill that space with what it perceives should be there. Excellent. So it has done its job. It's not perfect, but it's done a pretty decent job for that space. Now with my background layer selected, I'm going to go to filter, I'm going to go to blur, and I'm going to go to lens blur. Now you can do a whole bunch of different options. There's a lot of things within here that you can do to adjust this blur to make it more or less whatever, and just kind of change some patterns and change some different things depending on how intense or however it is that you want it. And then you'll just click OK, lock that in, and you are done. Now with that, that's all this is. It's pretty quick, pretty straightforward tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.